So you are welcome. So during a math class, a teacher wrote this on the board. That is 8 minus 3 multiplied by 5 divided by 5. So one student got the answer as 1, the other student got the answer as 5. So which among these students got the answer as correct? Because the teacher smiled and said only one of them understand the math. So which among these two students got this maths problem correct? So let's now start with the solution and check which among these students got this maths problem as the correct way of solving it out. So let me explain. So when you have, for example, 8 minus 3, some people will say 8 minus 3, that is 5, then 5 multiplied by 5, then divide by 5. So that is now 5 multiplied by 5, that is 25, then 25 divided by 5, the answer is 5. So let's now check this one. So meaning that this one is what one student got by getting the answer as 5. So our second solution to this maths problem is how we shall now introduce the law of maths in solving this maths problem. So you can either use BODMAS, or when you don't want to use BODMAS, we can either use PEMDAS in solving out this maths problem. So since we have 8 minus 3, then multiply by 5, divide by 5, this one is the best rule for solving this maths problem. So we shall now have to take the division first. That is now 8 minus 3, then multiply by 5 divided by 5 is 1. Then the next one is tackling about the multiplication sign. That is now 8 minus, so 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. So when you have it this way, so 8 minus 3, the answer now becomes 5. So now our correct answer becomes 5. So remember that the correct answer is 5 because it has been solved in the correct way. This one, it has not been solved in the correct way. So if you're really enjoying solving this maths puzzle, please remember to subscribe